Are you looking for the best Creality 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best Creality 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer is a feature-packed printer that offers hassle-free and high-quality 3D printing. One of its notable features is the hassle-free auto leveling, which includes a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. This means that users do not need to manually participate in the leveling process, making it much easier and more convenient. To ensure smooth feeding of filament, the Ender 3v3 SE is equipped with the upgraded Sprite full metal dual gear direct extruder. This extruder provides more powerful extruder pushing force and is lightweight, allowing for smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping. It works well with various filaments like PLA, TPU, PET, and more. Number 2. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is a high-speed and efficient printer designed for professionals and beginners alike. With a maximum printing speed of 600mm/s and 20000mm/s squared acceleration, it is 12 times faster than a regular FDM 3D printer, ensuring quick and efficient printing. One of the standout features of the K1 Max is its large printing size of 300mm, providing ample space for printing multiple models simultaneously. This significantly increases printing efficiency and allows for the creation of larger, more complex prints. The printer's print volume to printer size ratio of up to 25.5% is the largest among similar-sized printers, further enhancing its capabilities. Number 3. Creality 3D Printer CR-M for largest FDM 3D printer. The Creality 3D Printer CR-M4 is a powerhouse in the world of FDM 3D printers. With its large build volume of 450x 450x 470mm, it offers the ability to create bigger and more complex models with fewer or no post-processing requirements. This saves users valuable time and effort. Additionally, the capacity to batch print multiple parts in one go enhances efficiency and productivity, making it an ideal choice for prototyping and small production runs. The CR-M4 boasts precise and reliable dual Y-axis linear rails made of CNC machined bearing steel. These rails have a load capacity of 30 kilograms and a powerful motor that can handle continuous stress for 720 hours or 30 days. The printer also features a rigid Z-axis, reinforced with 2 support bars, which creates a stable and rigid triangle structure, ensuring better stability for the upper frame. Number 4. Official Creality 3D Printer Ender 3S1 Pro. The official Creality 3D Printer Ender 3S1 Pro is a feature-rich printer that offers enhanced capabilities for 3D printing enthusiasts. One of its notable features is the dual-gear direct drive extruder, which utilizes 2 chrome steel gears engaged at a 1:3.5 gear ratio. This design ensures smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping, providing reliable performance. The extruder can handle a pushing force of up to 80 N, making it suitable for printing flexible filaments such as TPU. Additionally, the Ender 3S1 Pro is compatible with a wide range of filaments including PLA, ABS, PET, wood, TPU, PAR, and more. The printer also features a 4.3-inch touchscreen interface, which supports 9 languages and offers efficient user interaction. It is easy to use and provides a convenient way to monitor and control the printing process. Additionally, the printer is equipped with LED lights that enable users to check the printing status at any time. Number 5. Creality 8K Resin 3D Printer. The Creality 8K Resin 3D Printer, known as the Creality Pro, is a powerful printer that combines speed and quality. With a remarkable speed of 170mm/h, it can deliver prints in a fraction of the time compared to its competitors. The build plate can be lifted and lowered smoothly in just 1.2 seconds, further enhancing its efficiency. The printer features an impressive 8K monochrome LCD with 33,177,600 pixels and 29.7 micrometers XY resolution. This high-resolution screen surpasses the capabilities of a 4K resin printer, ensuring flawless and detailed prints. Additionally, the Creality Pro has a large 10.3-inch screen, which is 45% larger than other resin printers. This larger screen size is ideal for verifying model designs and creating exquisite models with precision.